Friends, so this is book from which you can practice your reading module. Okay, most of the students, they are asking from me like which book they can follow for the reading module. So I mostly prefer and I mostly suggest to the students they should purchase volume 1 and volume 2 also. Okay, and you can practice all the readings from this book. And today in this video I am going to provide you vocab, okay, from this book. So first word for today, that is enhance. Okay, word is enhance. What is the meaning of enhance? Means to decrease or further improve the good quality or value. Just to improve the quality means to enhance the quality of anything. Clear? Second word for today that we have, that is insight. What is the meaning of insight? It means the ability to see and understand the truth about people and situations. Okay? कि किसी में कोई ability होना just to understand the truth. Okay? What is truth? So next word that I am going to give you, that is enormous. It means huge, immense. And all these words I have taken from this book, okay, from the reading. So if you cover vocabulary daily like this from the reading, then definitely it become very easy for you to solve the reading, because many words you can learn. So next word that we have, that is brood. To think a lot about something that makes you annoyed or upset. Okay, means if you are thinking about something again and again and that things makes you upset and sad. Okay, so next word that I am going to give you, that is ruminate. Okay, what is the meaning of ruminate? To think deeply about something. Okay, to think deeply about something. So next word that I am going to give you, sixth word for today, that is optimistic. Word is optimistic. Okay, optimistic, one who expect good things to happen, means person who already have positive view. Next word is device. Okay, and the meaning of device word is to invent something new or a new way of doing something. Okay, that means device, and mostly this word is used in the reading. Next word that I am going to give you, that is comprehend. Comprehend, mostly this word is used in the negative sentences. Okay, comprehend means to understand something fully, to understand something completely. Clear? I hope all these words are clear to you. So if you like my video, then please press the like button. Okay, and tell me in the comment section whether it is helpful or not for you, and just try to learn these words daily, so that you should have a great grip on the vocabulary and reading module. It can become very easy if you learn these words daily. Thank you.